Hi friends, welcome to the channel, welcome back to Superman, welcome to another vlog. If आप सबको बहुत ईद मुबारक। रमज़ान ही जल्दी गुजर गया है तो रमज़ान तो हो चुका है, अब ईद शुरू हुआ है। लेकिन मेहंदी लगा ली मैंने। आज का व्लॉग जो शुरू कर रही हूँ मेरे घर से नहीं, मेरी परी नानी के घर से शुरू कर रही हूँ, जहाँ मैं नानी जा रही हूँ। अब मैं कितना लो फील, मैं I can't able to talk so loud. Everyone is in kitchen. My cousins are here. I can't talk so loud and I can't introduce them. If I can introduce myself, then I can notice. Then my grandma is going there. So first, I just say you.
Making a vlog?
Yes.
Nice.
He's my uncle. He's my uncle. He shows like six packs. I have something.
Upload कर रहा ना तो
Okay, I'll cut off.
ठीक है रुकिए सफा
Are you?
जो कम जमाया करेंगे क्या
Up. Now see, everyone is in kitchen and they're doing some good work. I'm starting my vlog from this now. Now I came in my room. I will not show you right now. Right now I can't show you what I'm wearing today. I'm just wearing one on my light first because it's too little bit. 1 minute, they are calling me. So they are calling me. Coming. So they are calling me for. They're calling for lunch. I go eat later. Just now I started my vlog. This is the dress what I'm wearing. This is like zebra type stripes because I thought I just keep this one open because I put in my two chains. This chain should be every day for this I'm wearing this only for today. This is my ring. This is like real gold. You don't think? And this is one more thing what I wore in this side. So this is the main design. Yesterday, one girl came to apply me. So guys, now I came with this vlog because I can introduce my cousins like over there because they are too continuous busy. Now they are full and busy with sending food to other peoples, and now they're coming and they're coming and they are just starting to serve us. So this is going so this is going very so hectic, guys, because still my hair is a bit curly. I thought I just straightened my hair, asking my one of my small sisters there, not my own sister, my one more cousin sister is there. I just asked her to straighten my hair. Then I just can't finish off getting ready. So today I will be going to do my dark makeup thing. So I got poses yesterday. No, my age has come come to this thing horse. Now the thing is, I'm starting my vlog now itself because I thought it got over a long back. It's got over. I made it the vlogs, so still like 13 or 12 vlogs I uploaded. I think my one of my uncle told he was showing like 6 parts. So I need to cut that video still because I don't want to put in I don't want to put in YouTube because if I will cut that line now. I just introduce myself. That's all. So yeah, I'm good. Uh, Boys are eating, no?
No, I think it was.
You're sitting. You're sitting.
I'll sit up.
Even I sit afterwards.
Which out?
No. No. I will eat afterwards. Also. So I'm not feeling so hungry right now because it's my hair is still like this. Today I had my head bath. If I come here, knows my hair will start stinking with this house smell. I don't believe this because see my hair is still curly. I need to go to my cousin's house. I just straight my hair. Then today I'm gonna do my straightening that's all because we brought the bags here to get ready because you come and sit, don't talk too much, come. So guys, she was my grandma. She she's my grandma. Yeah. She got one throat infection. She has shivering a cough because since severe cough because I don't know from many not like 1 week. She's passing the cough throughout the months. Only months she's coughing because every time she is going to doctor, she's changing her doctor, and again she's changing the doctor. For continuous, she's going to the doctors and she's getting prescriptions and she's eating too much medicines. So like that, she's taking so from yesterday onwards she has taking she was taking a nebulizer or something else, or I think on Saturday she has done. She got a nebulizer, she's taking like that. So she got severe cough. She even also throughout that I think so. Everyone will get like even also in our adolescent age we also will get. I forgot to say you one thing. I forgot to say you one thing, guys. I just keep my phone right over. See ya, guys. Everyone is saying that is in Netflix one movie has released which is Adolescence. Adolescence means my age. What is my age? That's what I make known. So in Netflix only that movie as released is called as Adolescent. Please go to there and just see just see that movie first of all you just see the trailer first. After seeing the trailer, then after that after watching a trailer, just go to that movie and see because this is a new movie what has released in this year like 2025. So you just go and see that movie. It is an English movie. If somebody is not understanding English, some all languages will be like suppose Hindi, English, Kannada, Tamil. In this four things also even Telugu also. The Telugu has no issues. If anybody doesn't know English also to understand it, you can use your mother tongue, your mother tongue languages. What you speak at home. And some of the Christians are some of the Christians will watch in English also, like Mufasa, the Lion King, and Baby There's Out, everything. I know some English movie names, not exactly. I don't saw any English movie still. I just saw only Tamil and Hindi. That's all. So I think everyone is eating lunch right now. I think it's already 2:30 here itself. So I don't know what time we should get ready. I think by 7:30 at least. By 5 or 6 o'clock we will not get ready so early. I think because I told my grandpa to bring me one flowers also. I thought I just applied flowers in my hair, like the gajra type will come, like a tail type. So I thought I just want to put some flowers in my hair. So I told my grandpa to bring flowers. He told, let's see, because the since flowers, every flowers like mogra flowers, jasmine flowers, every flowers are go. It's in year after. all the rates are very expensive. All the rates, especially for this thing also. The raw chicken, raw fish, everything is very like this thing. Just so my grandma left to the kitchen because I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting when our turn comes. The one of my aunt came here. She told me to go and eat because I told her no, I will eat with you guys. But she told no need you go and eat. My uncle is there. One of my chacha is there. Then my sister sitting. So she asked me, no. I told no, I will sit with you. I told her. Now it's already like it's going to be like 2:35. Then after that I will move because this not my house. It's my big grandma's or where I'm staying here. I didn't came for staying like big. I will read, but today my sister will go off to her house because she has school tomorrow. With my parents only she will leave. Then I will may go to I may go on Wednesday. Because my mother only told her, let's go on, you come out on by Wednesday, but you take tomorrow one break because since everything is going to be this thing. Why I'm not going? I'm not going out because I have I, because my if I go out, my mama, one of my uncle will start with this drama because I don't know what he will do. First of all, I just join my hands and show you my mehndi, guys. I join my hands and show you my mehndi. This is how my mehndi looks because um this flowers are there, no. I have applied for this one for first time. I didn't apply for many years also. If it's a wedding also, but I used to apply mainly by myself also usual. So what my grandma told, but this was organic. But she told don't remove. Then I told no, I have work. I remove like that. So like three times I applied my balm, like what we use for our foreheads, our your this thing. So this is a way. So I'll get money also. Money means if that is a token to us for what they give me, what they give. They'll give they'll give like 5,000, like 500 to 5,000 they'll give. Then they'll start to give me money. That is called as a ED. ED means like they'll give token to us because even also our God has our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what he told us, for if we elders should give others should give you give to kids as a ED. That means money. I don't know who has come now. I think who has come now. I don't. I think it might be my one more big sister. I think because she thought now she thought she'll come by like 7 or 6. She thought she'll come. Today my big today my small brother is coming. So today I've been a happy day. So I don't know who has come. I don't know. I think it probably my grandpa because I need to do my makeup still. I didn't done my makeup still, but my mother told don't do makeup now self. In night you can do it. She told me. Then I told her, okay fine. This is very good. This good idea. So I was being to that for every day. Yes, I was in full busy and cleaning my house, and I was so busy with my packing what I was doing this this month. Okay. Then after that, I'm in room because but I thought I want to go out. So let's see. Come, let's go out. First, I just show you my look. First of all, I show you my look. This is my look. Wow, what I wore in. This is a nice traditional. Now this is a trend. What is coming up? This is coming up through. yeah, let's go out. Let's see what you guys are doing. Hi, this is my vlog, guys. I have shown you already. She's my small sister. No, my Kala.
She's your khala.
Kala. I don't Kala.
Small sister's there.
Yeah. She's my lovely sister. I appreciate it.
I appreciate.
Yeah, I appreciate I appreciate everyone. So you know, guys, in our religion,
सफा नहीं खाते तुम्हें खाना?
within masjid. Yeah. You know, guys, in our religion, in our Islam, um, what?
नहीं कैसा बात करती हो ना?
Yeah, you know why me is I'm a vlogger. You go to my channel and see how many videos I put in. Check through how many subscribers are there. See. So this is how I treat my uncle. Yeah. Not in his house. Sometimes we do something like dramatic, like then you saw my Kala, no? Kala means who? Fadu. What we say Kala in English?
कोच करते सो इवेंट्स का.
Aunt. Yeah, aunt. You know, my aunt is such a prettiest. I didn't even told. You know, my uncle knows all the relationship between my uncle knows. I just move this. I just keep my phone here. You know, guys, I think this is a balcony. So my uncle knows all the relations who comes to our family, to everyone. But I don't have so I don't have family into my this thing, my west, because I just have my Bangalore family. Also, I have a whole family in Hyderabad. So only like I just got my aunt and my uncle. Only that's all. And my brothers. My brothers are who? Everyone. I see. Everyone is like asking me like just make a video. Who all are my relationships? Because I told him just now. He has told me you come and sit with me. Then I told him, no, I sit with him in it because I need to see biryani. Today is like biryani day to eat for night also. I told them to make some gravy also. To bring some like saving like one naan and one bun to eat. So I told them to do like one. Yeah, they were doing weddings, no, right? In every Muslims, they will in every I think 18 minutes are there to end of this video. I was scared. It's close only. Okay. So I think I can stand here and I can show you my makeup. I just put my products here. Then I just can do makeup and show you, because if I sorry 1 minute, guys. Give. Where's the steps?
कौन सी एग्जिट में डेट हो रही है?
Why is this again so lot?
Second that and second this.
You second that probably in being there.
Second that.
It's yes.
रिबन कर एक मिनट वो खुला हो जाएगा. हाँ ये दो. Don't open. Very cool.
Sorry, guys. She needs a stepsils. I don't know who. Was come, I don't know. Probably my cousins. But my cousins will come by like evening itself, like 8, 9 or 6 or 7 they'll come by. Probably by 8:30 they'll be here. I have asked my grandma to give me. I have my bangles at least. I show you, but this first bag is not mine. So the second one, which is the last issue, because their bags are so heavy. So here, guys, these bangles are very nice. I didn't show you at all. These are my bangles. My mother only brought. I'm not because the SSF she has gone and she bought it. Yo, I'm just putting. They are they are totally they are totally four like this. I'll show you one. This is how it looks. I show you two and show you how it looks like this. One in this hand and two in the other hand. See. I think if my mother knows my size, I don't know, I can't search on Google according to my age. Now after this month my birthday comes, then tomorrow my birthday month will be starting it. Then after that I'll be 15. Is all I'm right now. I'm 14 now. I told my if my cousin, if my people knows whom I'm speaking, yeah. So one of my maid is coming now. I just move. Let her go. Let her go and do her work. Then I think I just wait. Just lie down for a while and I just take a one nap, because just now I was crying and crying because of why I don't know. Because of why? Because of my families I was crying, because they everyone will not love me at all. So like that. Okay, guys, this is a video for advance happy Eid Mubarak. Just stay well, stay safe, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and just comment me and turn off notification bell, and then subscribe. If you unsubscribe, you'll not get any channels. So just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, stay safe. So bye, Allah Hafiz.